Hello everyone. Now we are going to solve the question uh, is as follows. A binary image X and the structuring element B are given as follows. So this is the image X and we have to calculate X complement Y1 which is equal to X dilation B, Y2 which is equal to X complement erosion B, and we have to calculate Y3 which is X erosion B, and Y4 which is X complement dilation B, and also we have to give what is the relationship between Y3 and Y4. So we are in the given image in X, we have to fill the first row and last row with any two consecutive black pixels of our choice and solve accordingly. So this is the image X and I have added two black pixels here and here consecutive, and then as we know that the black is for 0 and the white is for 1, we put it there accordingly, and this is the value of X, and we have this as X complement. We just have to replace the values of zeros with ones and then we get the value of X complement. Now for the structuring element the same thing applies, that 1 is white and 0 is black. So we can take, as the origin is not given, we assume that the origin is given at the center of the structuring element. So I will take this as the window of the structuring element. So for X dilation B, all we have to do is take the structuring element and put it over the value of X. So first we have taken the matrix. First we start with this pixel, and for this pixel this is the origin and this is the pixel in consideration. So we have to match only this part of the structuring element with this part of X. So for this, where this is origin, the structuring element is compared as this, as none of the pixels, that is this is 0, these don't match, these don't match, these don't match, and this doesn't match, so we just put in the value 0. Next we move the structuring element for this pixel, and as we can see that the 1 here matches with the 1 here, the 0 here matches with the 0 here. So for full match we put value 1, for some match we put the value 1, and for no match we put the value 0. This is in case of dilation. So we do this for every pixel in the X matrix by shifting the structuring element for every possible value as the origin, and for each possible value as the origin we fill in the X dilation B matrix here. Similarly for Y2 equals to X complement erosion B. So here we have X complement and this is the structuring element B. For erosion, if there is a full match we put the value 1, if there is some match we put the value 0, and if there is no match we put the value as 0. So we do this for every pixel in X complement. So here this section, as first this is taken as origin, we get the value 1. Similarly we shift for this becomes a portion, as not all values match we put the value 0, and similarly we do this for every pixel. For this pixel, this is how the structuring element is placed, as it doesn't match fully, we put the value as 0 here. You put the value as 0 here. Now moving on to the next part, we have to do y3 gives x erosion b. We use the same rules for erosion as before, and as we can see, if we place the whole structuring element over any part of x, we get no match. So every value is 0 here. No full match as it is erosion. Now moving on to the next part, we have to calculate y4 where x complement equals dilation b. So this is x complement and this is dilation b. Now wherever even with some match, in case of dilation we put the value 1. So as we can see, as we traverse through each pixel in x complement, we get that the structuring element is matches at least with one pixel in every pixel present in x complement. So we get all the ones for every pixel. Now the next part of the question is we have to find a relationship between y3 and y4. So as we can see, y3 here is all zeros and y4 here is all ones. So y3 equals complement of y4 and y3 complement equals to y4. As we know that y3 is x dilation b and y4 complement is equal to complement of x complement dilation b. y3 is x erosion b and this is dilation. So we complement this and this is b cap. So x erosion b cap, and as we can see that b is a symmetric matrix, we know that b cap equals b. So x erosion b. So this relationship is proved to be true, and we get this relation by applying the duality relationship, which is a known property of dilation. Thank you for watching. I hope you understood this question, and if you have any doubts, please leave them in the comments, and thank you for